I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it from me. If you need to unlink a bank account on Wise, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the settings option, usually found in the menu. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Find link accounts. In the settings menu, locate the section labeled linked accounts or bank accounts. This is where you can manage your connected accounts. Step 4. Select the bank account to unlink. Identify the bank account you wish to unlink and click on it. You should see an option to remove or unlink the account. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to unlink the account. Click yes or confirm to finalize the process. Just a heads up, if you have pending transactions linked to that account, you may need to resolve them first before you can unlink it. I hope this helps you manage your Wise account more easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.